So this is from a sorry, I've been talking, nobody can hear me. My mic was off. But this is from a practice account on the algo. I just want to test it out. It told me to short here my stop, and TP3 is around here 27 176. I want to see if the algo works out. I normally don't take a trade before market opens, especially 30 minutes before market open. That's why I didn't take a trade. Take this call on my XFAs. It's just risky. I don't want to take that risk. It's so easy. Yeah, I'll adjust it to break even. Why not? Treat it like a real account. Right now, I want to see what it does at pre-day high, right? Because if that can turn back into support again, maybe it become a buyer. But I like to see a break underneath, honestly, and just kind of overextend it. Kind of overextend it. That's all I can say. We maybe come back down to earth a little bit here. Um, let's give it like a Fibonacci retracement or something, you know? Oh, we are back into golden zone bounce though. Eee. Okay. We are in the golden zone. All right, back in different count. Sorry, buddy. No, Ardo's back in. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, chat? Let's see if I can hear myself. I can do it. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Hey H, can you do me a favor? Go on YouTube Live and see if you can hear me. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
I can hear you.
You good? All right. Thank you.
Can hear you here.
Can you do me a favor? No, it works. I look. I just checked again. Some people in the chat room said they can't hear me. Earlier, well, I had my mic off. On accident. I'm gonna take this off. We got a tight 5 minute orb here. Very tight. Orb alone. This thing about YouTube, it lags. I don't know how people watch other people play YouTube. There's a big lag. Thanks, H. Pretty good week of trading besides Monday. Um, every single day has been positive, so hope everybody have the same week so far. Look to end today with a positive note. Coming next week is gonna be so dangerous, man. We got so much things happening. We got FOMC, and we got like on Wednesday, like four mega tech companies earnings coming out same day. Same day. That would definitely move the market. I can't wait for that. Um, Today may be a little bit of flat day though. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe we sell off a little bit. If there's extreme little bit sell off, I'll look to buy. If there's too much of a high, if we try to go for maybe test 27,400 as a new high, maybe something like that. I'll look to sell there. If we keep them pushing higher, I think the next stop is right there, 27,400. That's probably the next psychological number. I would be a seller around there. So far, we do nothing. There's nothing to do. It's just choppy here. Oh, yeah, I can trade some options. Look, some option play. Tesla ripping up. Let's see anything good with tech. G, Amazon. I haven't really traded Amazon. Google's selling off a little bit. I opened. Um, Damn, Nvidia pumped up to pretty good here. Got Apple doing pretty good. Tech itself doing pretty good. What USG? Nah. So easy. No, we're breaking out of this orb high, but just don't even trust it. I don't trust it. I don't trust. We're still right here in the short-term bearish trend, right? So I don't really trust this yet. Okay, if it breaks out a trend here, I want to see a retest before I do anything. Like a breakout trend, I want to see a retest, then I can go to so a big break, something like that, and then retest, reject, we pick up, we go long, retest at a high again. It's looking like a rejecting that trend line here. Okay. Is attempting to break out his orb high. I mean orb. Yeah, orb high. Why did I put orb low there? Orb high. This is my orb low. I got it inverse. That's a nice rejection, right? Trend line, right at orb high. What's up, son? Nice rejection. Nice. Nice. Good job there. Yeah, it was looked like on a short right up here. Right at a trend line. And just didn't want to break up or high. I didn't trust the move yet. And it got it short. See how far it might go down. If we can extend it back down to orb low, something like that. I think oil sells off too soon. So as we approach something near a deal or something like that, market's already kind of pricing a lot of that piece deal. So I think oil will continue to fade. Yeah. Yep. Do the chop early. Max sevens, not doing much either. Um, although XOK is starting to sell off, but it's just doing what NQ is doing. So nothing really exciting. QQQ Spy, same thing. We might get like a low breath day today. A little calmness before next week. But I do like the short. Well, I'm just not gonna be willing to answer it. Just being very patient with my rules. Don't trade anything inside the orb middle. You know what I mean? That's a good thing about your own money. You know what I mean? How brokerage account. Yeah, maybe I'll definitely take a look at Top Step brokerage, but I don't have their invite. Can you do you have the brokerage Top Step? Anybody? Just send me the link. Maybe I can tap and try to sign up for the waiting list too. Yeah, I mean, let's talk about the Top Step new pricing. I think it's kind of garbage. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like that it's only like $10 cheaper or something, and then they cut down your payout cap from 5 to 2K. You know what that's doing, right? Yeah, they're trying to eliminate a lot of those sim fund account where they farm five account, and then they go crazy YOLO and take that 5K. They want to, yeah, they're just minimizing their risk now that they have their own brokers and stuff like that. I think they try to trend more into the safer realm of doing business instead of sim. They made so much money right in sim that this way they're cutting their risks, and it's not even like good deal. So there's other prop firm you guys could continue to trade and have make better profits. Obviously, um, like Lucid or Tradeify, they have not changed their payout cap yet, but TopStep's usually the industry leader, the darling company. So if they change, they other platform might take that same kind of approach too, right? So unless they see that like, hey, that's not a good idea. TopStep's losing customers off that. We'll probably keep R the same to catch most of their customers, something like that. So yeah, it's a competition. Look like we're just chopping here, nothing much. And also they increased it 150K accounts to like 200 something. Like, bro, that's ridiculous. And tell me what kind of bullshit that their tone discount code only works for non-activation fees. It doesn't work for those other accounts for activation fees. Like I was gonna use their code for um the activation fee accounts. make it like cheaper than, so it'd be like $30. I'll throw $30 in 5 account, and if I pass, I'll pay for that activation fee, no problem. But no, that code only works for the non-activation fees. It's bullshit. We're still chopping here, so I don't know. Nothing much we can do. XLK is making a New York new low here. Oh, I'm embarrassed. I wonder what's IGB's doing. I don't want to short that name. It's up today. Damn it. Software. A lot of people were shorting car options, making crazy money off that. I wonder if that's still a thing. No, when I see it pop all over like X or social media, I know that move is done. Don't want to catch it when people are hyping that up on social media. There you go. Yeah, that move is done. Let's look up what they're talking about. I think it was car. I think it's him is car. Yeah, Avis. Yeah, damn. Yeah, it was up like 400 or 500. How much is it up? Damn. 800 something. And they just shorted all the way down. From 800 to like 200 something right now, bro. Wow, what a crazy. That is a crazy short. My goodness. Had a crazy pump all the way from Dean. I'm talking about from like $100 to 800 something dollars, 850. Right? That's nuts. That's a crazy pump. Oh my goodness. And then it crashed. Yeah, that was a definitely crazy short. Oh my god, people making so much money off that short. And long too, honestly, if you have inside information, obviously. Because why the hell would you long Avis car rental company? And why would that company be around 800 something bucks? That makes no sense. All right, so your short has paid off. Good job on your shorts. Got paid off well. Oh, is that the link for it? Plus 500.com. So that's why. Okay, that's how they partner up. All right, here we go. Oh, let's wait for the retest now. I do like that slash underneath previous day high here. Most likely see them retest this. Let's get a good retest and then I'll think about going short. Gold card. Come on, it's just hard, bro. I know you want to, but it's hard, man. Best trading word is what if should have. You do what you can. I mean, it was choppy there. It's hard to make that decision to hold. All right, here comes the retest. Um, and then data drops in 3 minutes too. Let's see. Previously high held as support here. That looked like a bullish pin bar candle though. I don't know. I want to jump in here, but let's see if the retest fails. Retest fails, and I might short here. If not, it's just gonna chop back in the range, and I don't touch it. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. Just that's a strong bounce back into the opening range here. La- Service now is a software company. I think that tanked like 33% after earnings beat too. That's massive. Adobe, that's the company I want to look at. Yeah. How's Adobe doing? I'm pretty bearish on that software company, so. Oh man, it sold off a lot already. Jesus, why did I keep? Yeah, my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna look at that daily chart and that damn thing. Yeah, damn. Yeah. Look at the weekly. Oh gosh. Yeah, it made new lows. I need better opportunity. I need to see, yeah, a good pump from it before I can short it further down. My goodness, Adobe. Kind of bullish on Coinbase too. Let me look at Coinbase. Bitcoin's 198 right now. 198 right now. Okay. I'm checking the 1 hour. Wait, when does it have earnings coming up? Yeah, it does on May 26th. All right, this looking like a short. Yeah, let's see. Yep, never mind. If this candle would have closed red and saw a slice underneath here, I would probably catch that short. But we got Michigan sentiment data came out, so $50 is done. Nice. The Michigan sentiment came out. Na, 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 na. Mark is not doing much. I have time. 7 o'clock. I'm gonna go wake my kid up and I'll be right back. I'm back and we didn't miss anything. Not a damn thing happened there. Still choppy, still in the zone, still hands off. I like that. Also, still respecting this trend, short-term trend to the downside. I mean, you have to think it logically. Would market want to hold new highs coming towards earning next week? Like, I don't know. I probably wouldn't, right? Unless they really know something. Um, I would think they would take some size off somehow, and be neutral until all the earnings clear out. Because that rally is big, they should start taking some profits. But who knows? Unless retail start chasing here, I don't know. That could also happen. A lot of retail missed that trade, that long. Maybe they chase here. They FOMO in. They usually FOMO in when things are at this all-time high, peak high. They usually chase in. Hmm. Damn, he caught that goal. Was that goal short? No, long. I'm pretty bearish on goal, but maybe you caught the long. Yeah, you probably caught the long. Either way. Damn. You definitely held it, huh? Held K? Monster hit, bro. Monster hit. Like, damn. Uh-huh. Wake up. My nose itching. I think I have like allergies. Ever get that morning allergy feeling? Itchy nose, itchy eyes, uncomfortable. Breaking out trend. Looking along here. We'll see. I got a gold card. Robin Hood approved me of a gold card. I don't think I want it. We'll see. Oh, $500. Good job. All right, I may have to long. We may have to long here now.
Order
I'm
filled.
going along. Let's retest those highs. 340 maybe. Um, I'm long. 263. Stops at 214. TP at 340. Or maybe higher if we can, but we can stretch out to 400 if anything. If let's see if there's momentum to this play. I mean, we've just been chopping so far, right? This is barely anything of a move, but we did break out trend above or high again with some nice push. The whole Michigan data thing cleared out the way. So let's just see. I'm optimistic, Law. One con. That's it. I'm gonna do a QQQ long too. Calls here. Very close to getting stopped. I'll give it $100 of a risk. There we go. I don't want to get just tapped out and it goes long on me. 340. Ultimately, maybe we test this high, previous day high. And I think we probably hit 400. I mean, we might as well, right? Might as well end the day with even rejection here. Gotta see how much momentum we have in this move. Broke his account? Damn, look at you. Let's go. Hey, take those small hits and broke his account. Doesn't matter. You don't gotta, there's no number you have to hit. So you make $100-something a day on it, lock it up. That's how I do it. You're done. You're done, T. That's real money. Oh, you can't drag? What? Wow. Well, that just like I don't know. I mean, that changes a lot of things for me. Like, do I really? The whole reason why I want to get into the platform is because that drag. It kind of changes things. Like, other than that, besides what I can do the same thing on, Tradeovate and shit with fast execution because they don't have much of a lag. So yeah, that's pretty weak, bro. That is pretty weak. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me. That's pretty weak. No wonder other brokers. Maybe that's why the Tradeovate can't even do it. That's just weird. Why though? But can you copy trade brokerage account with like XFA accounts and then no? Oh damn, that's weak. Wow, this bounce is weak too. This is weak. This is a weak freaking push, bro. Not gonna lie, that's ugly. Feel like all the momentum just like died out right here at the high. Yeah, take that 100. I mean, I do like their like you know the dashboard they still have like the settings. You know how you hit. Like everything else is pretty like cool, but damn, the big takeaway is the drag though, because I want to be able to trade mobile and I have to do limit or limit buy. It's like kind of like what? It's still better than trading very mobile. You know that's. I mean, I can't deny that. My last month results. Last month's results been ass. It's not gonna lie, it's not good. Blew up a lot of accounts last week. Terrible. But today, this week's looking pretty good. Week's out up about 1,600 on Tradeify XFA, the instant fund 150. I'm using a Trade Sync Copper trade from Top Step platform, Project X, to Trade Sync to copy trade off of other platform. Just because I like Top Step platform to trade. The click and drag is very useful. Damn, we can't break out this orb high here. Dirty. You know, stop me out. Ooh, nearly stopped out. It's like a tick away getting stopped out there. I feel like the Vaughn got sucked out today. It's just right in range. Dude, I'd be lucky if I make 100 today. I haven't gotten anywhere in like the last half an hour, man. Stuck. Last hour, actually. Stuck in this freaking 5 minute orb. Do something. Yeah. Jeez, the market is so dry. By the way, guys, I'm still in long. Almost got stopped out. Very close to getting stopped out again. 212.75. That's yeah. The Meg 7's not doing nothing much either. Everything's just base here. Maybe we can look at other things to trade, like gold or something. Gold or oil. Maybe look at oil. CL. See, even CL is just damn, just chopping too. Everything's just barcoding. ES, CL, everything's barcoding, man.
Order filled.
I finally got stopped out there for a loss. Now things are looking short. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this trade. Gotta stop that, guys. I feel it going in short now. I'm not gonna lie. But we might get chopped up.
Is that your real account or your practice account, huh?
It's always gonna be my real account. Cause I'm like I said, I'm telling you, I'm copy trading here to trade a rate.
No, that's a real account. Okay.
So right here, this right here, this is Top Step practice account, but it is copy trade to my Trader Fade account. I can just show you guys that. See, it's linked here. Top Step, Traderify. Take that out now. Really, just in this shop zone. I don't like it. Just not much volume anywhere. But that is a big sale candle. I think I might take a short, maybe slash down a little bit more. We failed to make breakout highs or several times already. I think I'm gonna go short. Just feels like a short.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go short. All right, let's break out here. Let's see. All right, guys, I'm in short here. 180, I think, I believe this entry. 182. I'll stop at 216.75, I guess. TP at 27.0. Let's say 100. Should make it easy. And I gotta go soon too, so gotta take my kid to school. Gotta get ready. I'll keep the recording on for you guys. But I gotta end the stream now.